Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to schedule an appointment with PSA. They are still accepting walk-ins but to those with national ID only. So if you don't have, you need to set an appointment. We will be putting the link on the description box. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click that link or go to this website. Just scroll down until you reach the bottom, then tick the box and click I agree. Then click next. You will be redirected here. Just choose the purpose of your appointment and click next. After that, choose the region where you are located and the nearest outlet in your area. Just scroll down to the bottom and you will also see here the fees and processing time of the services they offer. Then click next. You will be redirected here. Just input the details and after that tick the small box on the left side and click next. You need to input here the OTP that was sent to your email. Here's the sample of the email for OTP. Once done, just click verify. Then you need to choose here the certificate you are requesting. You will be having options per box. Just select the correct details. You can also add another certificate if you are processing more than one. Just click remove if you made a mistake. Just click next. Select here your preferred date and time of appointment. You will see the available slots. Once you have decided, just click the time and click next. Review all the details and if everything is correct, click confirm and click next. So here's your appointment slip. You can just screenshot this one or click the print appointment form if you want it to have printed. If you unfortunately close the site, you can just go to your email since they will be sending you a confirmation just like this.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.